Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to find your Dead by Daylight ID. And this is something you'll need if you want to play with friends on different platforms. First, open the game and click Options, which you'll find on the lower left of the screen. From there, look for Account and click on it. Once you're inside the Account section, you'll see options like Support and User Consent. Right under those, you'll find your Player Cloud ID. To view it, just click Show. And if you need to share it with someone, go ahead and click Copy. It'll automatically copy your ID to your clipboard, so you can paste it anywhere you need. Dead by Daylight is cross-platform, so knowing your ID makes it way easier to play with friends, no matter what device they're on. And that's how to find your Dead by Daylight ID. Thank you for watching.